Blending vegetables, then drink it, will not detox your body. While they add nutrients, they definitely will not detoxify your body. Buying so-called detoxing products will not detox your body either. Listen carefully. Our body is our own detox machine. Whatever we eat is broken down by the liver. The liver plays a key role in detoxifying the body. It processes nutrients from food and also breaks down toxins, chemicals, and waste products from the bloodstream. The liver filters out harmful substances and converts them into less harmful compounds, which are then excreted through bile or the bloodstream to be eliminated by other organs. The kidneys act like a filter or sieve for the blood. They remove excess waste, toxins, and fluids that the body doesn't need, which are then turned into urine and excreted. Drinking plenty of water helps the kidneys flush out waste efficiently by ensuring that they are well hydrated and able to filter. The skin is another important organ in detoxification. Through sweating, the body can expel toxins like salts, heavy metals, and other waste products. After intense physical activity or exposure to heat, salt crystals can form on the skin, especially on your hands, as sweat evaporates and leaves behind these minerals. The body is fully equipped with its own detoxifying systems, like the liver, kidneys, and skin, to handle waste removal effectively. The idea that we need special detox products is a big fat lie. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting regular exercise, we support these natural detox processes. The body's built-in mechanisms are more than capable of keeping us clean. After indulging in Christmas foods, which are often unhealthy, there's no need to blend vegetables like beetroot, carrots, and others, thinking they'll detox your body by removing toxins. They won't do that, but on the bright side, you'll still be getting some valuable nutrients.